Video 8. Appeal. Ricorso means to make an appeal in court. You have the right to appeal against the decision of the Commissione, and for this you need the help of a lawyer. If you don't know a lawyer, ask for help from a refugee rights association, for example, ACI, Centro Astali, or the Italian Refugee Council, CIR. If you cannot pay for a lawyer, ask for free legal assistance. The lawyer will ask you to sign a paper in which you declare that you do not have money to pay for the appeal. In Italy, you can appeal a decision up to 3 times if your lawyer thinks that you have the possibility of getting protection. The first time, you can make an appeal if 1. The Commissione gives protection sussidiaria and you believe that you have a case to receive full refugee status. 2. The Commissione gives protection umanitaria. 3. The Commissione rejects your claim. During the appeal, you have the right to a residence permit for an asylum seeker, valid for 6 months, which you can renew up until you receive the decision of the judge. The judge informs your lawyer when you can ask for your residence permit at the questura. This residence permit gives you the right to participate in training courses and to work, but you cannot convert this residence permit into a residence permit for work. You have the right to accommodation in a SPRA or CARA centre. If you are already in a CARA, you stay there until you receive the decision of the judge. If you are held in a CIA centre, you stay there until the final decision of the judge and for all the appeal procedure. According to law, you can stay in a CIA centre for a maximum period of 12 months. If the reasons for detention are no longer valid, you have the right to leave the CIA and ask to stay in a reception centre. The judge can 1. Recognise refugee status. 2. Give protection sussidiaria. 3. Give protection umanitaria. 4. Reject your appeal. Appeal rejected means that the original decision of the Commissione is valid. Recognition of protection means that you can stay in Italy with a residence permit. For more information on the recognition of international protection, watch video 9, Recognition of International Protection. According to law, the judge decides within 6 months of the presentation of the appeal. In reality, the waiting time can be longer. The court can 1. Recognise refugee status. 2. Give protection sussidiaria. 3. Give protection umanitaria. 4. Reject your appeal. According to law, the court decides within 6 months of the presentation of the appeal in the Court of Appeal. In reality, the waiting time can be longer. From the moment in which you receive the decision of the court, you have 30 days to make an appeal to the Cassazione. The Cassazione is the Supreme Court that decides on your claim if you appeal for a third time. Also for this appeal, you need a lawyer. According to law, the Supreme Court decides within 6 months of the presentation of the appeal. In reality, the waiting time can be longer. The Supreme Court can 1. Recognize refugee status. 2. Give protection sussidiaria. 3. Give protection humanitaria. 4. Reject your appeal. Appeal rejected means that the decision of the Court of Appeal is valid. Recognition of protection means that you can stay in Italy with the residence permit.